People, especially drivers, you have to be very careful when you use the roundabout. You don't want to enter it or exit it at Mamme Bay. Alright? So this all drivers operating heavy-duty motor vehicles, please take your time when entering or exiting the roundabout at Mamme Bay, okay? This accident happened this morning. No one was hurt. So this is actually the first truck we see mash up and go up the toll. Normally when them come off, them crash over this. Yeah? So when I ride here, so. A lot of material on this truck could have been lost if it wasn't for the quick response of the police. Drivers, be careful, be very careful when using this roundabout. It's a very tricky one. Yeah, the entire trailer here of the truck overturned with all the material on it. As you can see, yeah, so the front of the truck is still there on the wheels. And the entire trailer is overturned. No one was injured. Give thanks for that. Drive safe, okay?